What's up, everyone? I hope you're having a good day, night, morning, evening, whatever you're doing. I hope you're doing it good. We're looking at the second monitor that Lilliput sent me. This is the FS7. This is a 7-inch IPS display. It is 8-bit, 7-inch screen, and it's 1920 by 1200, 324 ppi, 1 to 1000 contrast ratio, and brightness rating of 500 CD. So something that sticks out about this monitor right away is that the housing of this whole thing is metal, so it's going to be a lot more durable than the plastic ones. The screen is probably still fragile, so maybe they should start really making the screens kind of like they do smartphones, so they're super durable. You can drop them, don't have to worry about setting it down on its face, but at least the housing is going to be a lot more durable on this model. Now, something else is that the layout, any monitor that has a wheel makes going through the menus and the options a lot faster. This wheel is the same. It allows you to go through all the menus. You can press down on it, so like a select, and then the back button is located right next to it. So it's real easy to use. This monitor has 2 shortcut buttons and a dedicated on-off switch. So there's no way that you can hit a different button and make a mistake of shutting it off. So on the bottom, you'll see we have the SDI in and out, and we also have HDMI in and out. We also have a place to monitor your audio and a USB port for future upgrades, and DC 12-volt power. So there's a few options for powering the monitor. You can use the included battery plate. You can screw that on the back, and then you can use the Sony batteries. Or they also have a wall adapter, so you can plug this directly into the wall. Or you can use your own external power, and this monitor will accept anywhere from 7 to 24 volts. The FS7 comes with a sunscreen or a sunshade that allows you to kind of block out the sun. The screen is a little bit reflective, and on sunny days it can be hard to see unless you have the sunshade on it, and it just has this adapter that sits over the screen, and then the sunshade itself just velcros onto the adapter, and it does a pretty good job at blocking out some of that sun. So there is a little bit of lag when you're going to be doing really quick camera movements, and there's also going to be lag in the audio also, and I try to kind of demonstrate this here. So if you're going to do real quick left to right or front to back, whatever, you're going to have just a real slight lag, and the audio is the same. So if you're monitoring audio through the headphone jack, it's almost going to be like a slight echo. So there you go, guys, the Lilliput FS7. It's a decent little monitor. Well, it's a lot bigger than the other one they sent me, which was 5 inches. But one thing I did want to point out is that I did see on the specs, especially on Amazon, where it says it would do 24 and 30p, but it didn't say anything about 60 frames per second, and I verified that it does work with 60 frames per second or 60p. So they didn't have that in there, but it does work. It also does work on 24 hertz and with 4K. So I'll put a link to this in the description. That's that. Thanks for watching.